Measuring student progress is a challenge. Learning goals seem unreachable when data fails to provide a complete picture. When goals are unclear, how can students strive to meet them? How can parents be partners when they have limited access to the information needed to help? Teachers work hard to generate meaningful data and use it in ways that will result in student growth. But the question seems to persist. What difference does the data make if it's not organized, used to make instructional decisions, compared and interpreted regularly, and most importantly, shared with the people supporting the learner? Created from the work of Dr. Leanne Young, GoalWorks is an innovative solution to a growing epidemic of data confusion. This cloud-based software is grounded in decades of educational research and designed based on teacher feedback from around the world. GoalWorks helps teams work collaboratively to prepare goals, organize student data, and manage detailed information about a student's progress, all from any digital device. GoalWorks brings together the best practices of special education and general education teachers and encourages a more collaborative partnership between teachers and their families. When data shows the full picture, students are empowered, teachers feel less overwhelmed, and parents are no longer confused about goals and progress, making them truly part of the team. With GoalWorks, the data is demystified. Colorful data maps make it immediately clear whether a student is on track to meet the goal or if a change is needed, and even identifies the specific skills that can be targeted for growth. It's quick, easy, and accessible when it's needed. Teachers, administrators, and families will be able to log on to GoalWorks at any time and with a single click generate a colorful symphony of student information, helping everyone involved in the learning process to truly enjoy seeing student success. To learn more about our center and services, including GoalWorks, visit ascdstudentgrowthcenter.org.